Let's create our display campaigns step by step. First of all, you have to log into your account, go to all campaigns and press over here, not overview, but campaigns. And here you have the campaigns you have already created. So we have already created the search campaign. Now we're going to create our first display campaign. So we press the plus button and then we can create our first campaign. We have some available options, and there are some options that let Google automize our campaigns. We don't want any automizations on our campaign. We want to do that manually so as to have full control on how we create these campaigns. So it's really easy, believe me, just some clicks on this platform to create your own successful display ads. So don't select any automations that will drive traffic and money to Google and not your website. We want you to earn as much as possible, and Google does the same. So we are in an opposite position with Google. Google wants to get the money and we want to get the money. So we are going to select only these options that work and only these options that can create successful campaigns and bring back results. We don't want just to create campaigns. We want to create campaigns that are successful and have great return on investment. So from all these automations, I will select create a campaign without a goal guidance. I don't need guidance on Google AdWords. It's my job. I want to do it on myself. So now you have 4+1 options. We already checked the search campaign. Now we're going to create some display campaigns. This course is all about. So let's press on display campaign and get to the next step. So then we have two sort of display campaigns. Gmail campaign is newer than the standard display campaign. So for start, we're going to select the standard display campaign and start from that. Standard display campaign is the campaign we're going to show on the GDN and of course on YouTube and in all websites cooperating with Google. So standard display campaign for start is our option. Then we write down our website. So I write down my website and press continue to go to the next step. If you don't have a website, you can select, you can add a website, a news website or whatever. Just add something just to make your test and start your display campaign. For now, we're going to add a campaign name. It's really important to add the right campaign name. So we have a course about how to name your campaigns. We have a lecture about how to name your campaign. So here I'm going to add the name campaign. It's a 3-digit number, 500 or 510. So I start the numbers from search campaign. So my first search campaign is 110. And then the display campaigns, I start them from 510. So I have a lot of numbers in between to add a lot of campaigns after a year or 2 years or 3 years. Then I press the name of the user, the name of the AdWords expert who is building the campaign. That's because there are accounts over there with 3 or 4 campaign managers. So we want to be sure that we know who is controlling which campaign. So we add our name over there. And then I'm putting a name describing what I'm going to do. So here, for example, I'm going to do a campaign for shoes, a display campaign for shoes, for basketball shoes. So I write down basketball shoes display campaign. So that was it. It was really easy to start with your display campaign. So let's check the location and other targeting options we have. It's really easy to build your display campaign, so don't worry, just a bunch of clicks. We're going to show you what to press on and you're done.